Dreaming of being your own boss, traveling the world, and achieving financial freedom. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to make it happen and show you how to build a life where work and passion align. Imagine waking up in a new city, working on your terms, and enjoying the freedom to explore. Let's make that dream a reality. Hi, I'm Keenan, and welcome to Wander and Invest. After years of being tied to a traditional job, I finally took the leap to become my own boss. I now have the freedom to work from anywhere and design a life that aligns with my passions. Today, I'll share what I learned on my journey and the steps you can take to do the same. If I can do it, so can you. Let's dive in. First things first, becoming your own boss starts with understanding what you have to offer. Assess your skills, interests, and strengths to find a niche that resonates with you and has market potential. How to: list your skills. Write down everything you're good at and enjoy doing. Research market needs. Use tools like Google Trends or social media groups to identify what services or products are in demand. Test your idea. Consider freelancing a few hours a week to gauge interest and refine your offering. For example, my journey began by realizing I could leverage my expertise in IT as a freelance consultant, which not only paid well, but also allowed me to travel while working. Becoming your own boss doesn't mean relying on just one income stream. Diversifying income is key to financial stability and growth. How to: explore different income avenues. Look into freelancing, creating online courses, blogging, or affiliate marketing. Invest wisely. Consider low-cost index funds or REITs, real estate investment trusts, for passive income. Create content. Start a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche to build authority and generate income through ads or sponsorships. I found that having a mix of freelancing, content creation, and investments allowed me to fund my travels while staying financially secure. Achieving financial freedom is a process that involves planning and discipline. Set SMART goals. Make sure your financial goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create a budget. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track spending and savings. Establish an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to cover unexpected costs. One of my biggest takeaways was realizing that financial freedom doesn't mean you're wealthy. It means you have control over your time and choices. With the right tools, you can work from anywhere in the world. Choose essential tools. Invest in a reliable laptop, portable Wi-Fi device, and productivity software like Slack or Trello. Set up a productive workspace. Create a comfortable work environment wherever you go. This could be a cafe, co-working space, or even a park. Prioritize communication. Use video calls for meetings to maintain a personal connection with clients and colleagues. My remote setup includes tools like Slack, Asana, and portable Wi-Fi devices to keep me connected while I'm on the move. Living minimally supports a lifestyle of travel and freedom. Declutter regularly. Go through your belongings and donate or sell items you no longer need. Invest in versatile items. Choose clothing and gear that are multifunctional and travel-friendly. Focus on experiences. Allocate your budget towards experiences like travel and learning rather than material goods. Downsizing and simplifying allowed me to save more and reduce stress, making it easier to live on the go. In today's world, personal branding is everything. Define your brand. Identify what makes you unique and how you want to present yourself. Leverage social media. Create profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or X that reflect your brand. Network actively. Attend industry events, virtual or in-person, and engage with others in your field. I began by establishing my online presence through LinkedIn and other networks to attract clients and like-minded people. What's your biggest dream as an entrepreneur? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you envision your life as your own boss. Engaging with your answers could inspire future videos. Building a life of travel and financial freedom is within reach. Start by taking small steps and stay committed to your vision. If you're ready to learn more about creating income streams and building a life of freedom, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Remember, every step you take today brings you closer to living life on your terms. Here's to becoming your own boss and living your dream.